It's doing hot.
Happened. Well, see that hill over there? Oh, I'm dizzy.
Get off that Snapchat. Let's quick get off Pornhub real quick.
Hey, you. Fuck, I can't do that.
Hey guys.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, you.
Hey you.
Hey,
It's
you.
like get serious for a second every single time. Hey you.
Alright. What's up, everybody? We are AA Moto. Stands for Arch and Andrew. I'm Arch.
I'm Andrew.
And we like extreme sports. So we decided to make a YouTube channel around that, trying to show everybody our interests and share interests with anybody else that also likes extreme sports. Any extreme sport. From like drifting to motorcycle racing, which both of us do, snowboarding,
To wrecking dirt bikes.
wrecking dirt bikes. A lot. Wrecking street bikes. Wrecking cars.
We like sometimes are good things.
Yeah, sometimes we're good at things even. But we kind of just wanted to make a channel off of that because we thought we would watch it, so maybe other people will watch it. And maybe we can enjoy these other activities with people across the world. That might be a little
We need to learn
ambitious.
Spanish.
I know a little bit.
Hola.
Hola. And
Got it.
C and guacamole.
Mm-hmm.
But a little background on me. I've been riding since I can remember. Started out on four-wheelers. Got to about, I think, 9 years old. Hence my number for motorcycle racing is 090. Got to 9, decided I wanted to move to two wheels, and got my first dirt bike. And from there on out, I was on two wheels forever because four-wheelers isn't really my style. I've been on the track on street bikes, sport bikes specifically, since I was like 15. And then I started racing last year, I think 2019, right? No, yeah, 2019. And been doing that ever since, and that's pretty much it.
I started riding motorcycles like him. I can't even remember when I started. I don't think I was any older than like 5 years old or so when I started, but I really don't know. Then after that, owned countless amount of bikes, all sorts of bikes. I've owned street bikes. I haven't owned any Harleys yet or cruisers yet, but
Not yet.
not yet.
And
we'll
if we
get
do,
there.
we'll race them.
We'll
So,
probably race them and
That's the
probably skip them across the track.
a couple times. Who cares?
It happens.
And that kind of is a good, segue into what we ride. I have a CBR 1000 2010 that I am rebuilding from a wreck. Yeah, I wrecked in Arkansas. I'll sneak peek some footage later on. If you pay attention to the series, I'll put that in there as well. Because, like we said, we wreck and shit happens. I also just picked up a 2012 Triumph Daytona 675 that I am taking from the street to move it to a race bike. And we're going to try to make some footage on that, maybe, if people like that. Kind of like a build bio, if you will, on what we're doing there. I think I just stole that straight from another channel. I also have a 2012 WR450 that I've been riding on the dirt for the past couple of years. Picked that up in Virginia and made it a sumo bike and took it out on the track, and now I'm definitely hooked on that. I think that's pretty much where I'm at right now on the garage. I had an SV650 Gen 2 that I raced for the past season and a half. And I'm sure you'll see footage and pictures and images from that, but I sold that to a good buddy of ours, and I'm moving on to a 675. But that's where I'm at with my builds right now.
I have similar bikes. I race an SV650. I have a 2013 WR450 that I did the same thing as him. 1 year newer. It's way better. I started out on dirt on it, got the sumo tires, fell in love with riding sumo, wrecked it on the track. Still think this is the most amazing sport. I have an FZ09 for the street for daily commuting. Then I have a couple small XRs, like an XR100, XR70. And then I have a little 212cc little mini bike that is no bigger than the motor. Terrifying to ride. I already have stitches in the back of my ankle and a scar and everything from that contraption. Another thing we both like to do is kind of tinkering on random things. I have a supercharged Ram 1500 that I'd just like to throw random money at and build every once in a while. I also have a BMW V46 that I like tinkering with. I just recently picked up an off-road buggy that I'm rebuilding and maybe putting a different motor in. Right now it just has like a 10 horse Briggs and Stratton in it.
I'm definitely putting
It's going to end up with a bigger motor.
like a 600.
It's going to end up with a sport bike motor. But for right now I'm just getting it working because it's missing quite a bit of the front suspension components. But I'm a CNC machinist, welder, fabricator, so I can make anything I need to get that thing going again. And you'll see kind of some of that build, see kind of everything coming together, see the struggles that I'll have of rebuilding something that I didn't design. But it'll be a fun project to get going, and then we'll end up wrecking it and having to rebuild it again, and then probably build another one after that.
That's basically a short on us and kind of give a little bit of backstory and credibility to who we are as human beings. But we would like to make content based on our extreme adventures. As you can see, we're not talking material, we're doing material. So we're going to see how this goes, and if it goes somewhere pretty cool, so be it. If not, whatever. And if you guys like it, let us know. If not, we don't care.
But like and subscribe because we care.
Hit the bell. I don't really know what the bell is for yet. Yeah, whatever it is, do it if you like it, because I'd watch this channel. Would you watch this channel?
You should.